guys, Tanya with KB Riley, also known as Karen Burniston Dies, here with a little sneak peek of the April Tanya's Take. Now, if you don't know what a Tanya's Take is, before I show you the adorable card, I'm going to tease you a bit. If you don't know what the Tanya's Take is, it's where I use one of our previous dies, not from the new release, a previous die, and I make the card into a kit that's on the front of the die. So this month, we will be using the garden bench pop-up, and you are going to love this. This is one of my favorite dies. You can make it into so many cute things, and it goes with every season. And this time, you're going to get 3 dies in the Tanya's Take kit. Now, here is the card that will be in the kit. Are you ready for this? Look at this. Oh, is this amazing? A sweet little card for spring. So much fun, so easy. You'll get everything in the kit to make this card, okay, including 1165 tiny gnomes, of course, the garden bench pop-up, of course, and one of my all-time favorites. You guys have seen me use these a million times, the long Nature's Edges too. And these have the best borders. They're so fun. So once you get the kits, you'll do all of your pre-cuts, and then you can join me on May 2nd on the Oak event, and I will show you my take on this same card. Grab your kits at KarenBurniston.com, and I will see you on May 2nd. Take care. Have a great day, everyone.